If you eat durian every day, what happens to the body? It's a secret the doctor never wants you to know. Durian is the protector of your digestive system. It is rich in dietary fiber, which helps to promote the proper functioning of the digestive system, prevent constipation, and improve intestinal health. In addition, durian is rich in vitamins C, B6, B1, B2, B3, B9, and E, as well as minerals such as potassium, magnesium, iron, zinc, and calcium, which are all necessary for maintaining good health. Durian is also rich in carbohydrates, which is one of the body's main sources of energy, providing lasting energy and helping to build strength and endurance. In addition, the vitamin C and other antioxidants in durian can protect the skin from free radical damage, delay the skin aging process, and keep the skin young and healthy. However, it should be noted that due to the high sugar and calorie content of durian, people with diabetes or who need to control their weight should consume it in moderation. Focus on health, focus on me, learn more about health knowledge.